I would actually be buying into this dip right now. And I know you might be like, why would I do that? Ever since we went here to 15.4, I have noticed that a lot of people become overly bearish with every dip. Okay, so it's becoming a trend right now, and people only get excited when the market starts to go higher. And this is crazy because when you buy as the markets go higher, you're actually making people realize their profits by buying into the green. I would actually be buying into this red that we are witnessing. My first idea for that is because, well, I still think we will go to 47 or even 48k. I still think we will come up to this cliff right here. I think this is where we will actually fall back to the downside. And I know it's crazy. It's really a crazy thing to consider. But a lot of people are thinking that if we go higher than this region right here, that's where they get bullish. Some even believe that it is only when the markets will go higher than this zone, then they will become bullish. And I'm like, that's crazy. That's crazy because that's the time that the markets will most possibly crash. And then you will be buying the exact top. Now, I know what I'm saying is, crazy. It's crazy to buy in the red, but that's exactly what we should be doing. And most people in this market are expecting a retracement back to 25k. Now, a retracement back to 25k, which is what I mentioned in my last video, would be normal. It's considered normal according to the charts, because that will be a retest of this a retest of this support right here. So if we retrace back down to here, it will be a retracement of that support. So it's normal to assume that we should come back here. However, if we are looking at the charts from 2019 perspective, we did not retrace that level until the next year. And yes, we only retraced it in a crash. So do not be surprised that we come back to 25k after a very long time. Now, I compare these two parts because, well, you can't get it any similar than this one. You see, this consolidation is somewhat like this one. Let me explain. We have this consolidation here, a move to the upside, consolidation here, a move to the upside. Then we have another type of consolidation here. That might very well be this one. I know, it's crazy, but the markets move in patterns. They move in waves. Right here on this particular candle in 2019, everyone was bearish. Everyone thought it's just going to come back to retest this level right here before we move to the upside. Guess what? We continued the move to the upside with no retracement. The 100 EMA acted as resistance here. It is the same 100 EMA that we have as point of confluence right here. So this to me is an indication that this might be the consolidation before a rapid move to the upside. And I really would not be surprised if we do not come back to 25k. Note that these candlesticks are on the weekly time frame. These wicks that you see right here, everybody would have been bearish on this particular week. So never you think with no retracement only means we just go up and there is no red candle anywhere. There is always this type of scenario, but by what I mean here is in the macro picture, there is a chance, which is something we should consider, that we move straight up without doing something like so in 2023, which is why I would be buying into this current dip. So we could just go higher without even coming back down to 25k before going higher. Now, if that were to happen, I will not go short. I won't be shorting this market until we finally go up here to about 47, around 47, 700 to 48k. I will not be shorting this market. We can also notice that on the 2-day time frame, we do have a golden cross. 2-day time frame, we do have a golden cross with a 50 moving average going above the 200. You could easily have price go to the down or to the upside respectively. So in a golden cross, I would expect a dump before a rally, and on a death cross, I would expect a rally before a dump. Am I saying that we will 100% go to the upside here? No. But what I am saying is, according to the data that we have on the charts, we could just continue to go up without a 25k retest. And the day we ever finally come down here, we just go right through it. It might be a bit more biased to think that price will go higher. But I think we might not just go dumping as everybody thinks. You know, if you just look at this right here as an ascending channel and you also put like so, that should give you some type of target that you would expect price to go to before moving higher. And if you take this from here to here, that will be giving you somewhere around 26.7. So yeah, we could go right there. We could go to the 26.7. But I would not be waiting for a 25k retest if I was buying to sell at 47. Now, this relates with every crypto that you know out there. XRP is one that I have been having a close eye on lately, and I think it should still come back down to my target. To this 40, between 42, actually that's 42, not 40. Yes, 42 and 39. As you all know, altcoins will bleed more if BTC has even a 1% drop. So thanks so much for watching the video. I found that making videos is better than just, you know, putting up some writings and sending charts in the group. So this would be ideal for my forecasts henceforth. Thanks so much for being here. See you in the next video.